Hello traders, FpC&x here. Today is Wednesday, July 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar yen, I still think this looks like a big ABC correction. Definitely got a big impulsive move down. This move up is not turning at a fib level, as you can see, but it does look like it is trying to end a correction, and if it is the end of a correction, it's probably the end of a wave 2, and it'll end up going down for a big wave 3. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, you can definitely see that this is a downtrend right here. Looks like a wave 1. I think this is an ABC, most likely a wave 2. Went right to the 138% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of wave B. Nice big impulsive move down. It is definitely looking like the end of a correction, and if that's the case, then it will make lower lows, lower highs, all part of that big wave 3, just like I was showing on the monthly. So taking it down to the daily, now we do have to remember that today is CPI inflation data for the US dollar. That's definitely going to affect this pair. We're going to have to see what actually happens at the news. I still think that this is already ended a correction, and that worst case scenario, if the dollar does go up, it's probably just going to be part of a correction to the downtrend, and later on, maybe in a few days or something, it will just end up continuing down in a ways, especially if this right here really is the end of a correction, which it definitely looks like it is. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, very strong move to the downside. I definitely would not be trying to go long on this. Even if the dollar does go up at the news today, I do think that it's just going to be part of a correction. I would personally not be taking the long, but even if it does go up, I will wait for the sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. But I don't know that the dollar is going to go up today. I think there's also a good chance that it could just keep on drifting down, making lower lows, lower highs. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we definitely do have a little bit of a 3, 4, 5 shape right here, but it's probably just the end of this trend right here. Like I said, with that news coming out today, it's kind of a roll of a dice about whether the dollar is actually going to go up or not. Even if the dollar does go up, I think it's just going to be part of a correction. I think that the trend is definitely down on all the higher time frames. I know the trend is down on the higher time frames. So even if it does make a move to the upside, it's probably just going to be another correction like this over here or like this over here. And I'm just going to wait for the end of a correction to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend that I was showing on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.